Hey, Mr. How are you, man?
How's it been?
Hey, everything good, brother? What about
Yes,
you?
you dog.
Oh, man, thank you.
Hey, bro, can you show me that pencil ball, bro? I've been trying to do that this whole
Of course, it's very easy. Look, try with me. Like this?
Like this?
Grande chulo. Hey, my man. Hey, hermano, mira, te presento. This is my friend Speed.
Hey, no, Speed. Hey, never met. What's your name? Dragon?
Dragon Lee.
You a dragon?
You a dragon?
I'm a dog.
You're a dog?
Hey, take it easy. I'm just Speed too, canal.
Oh, okay, brother. All right, it was nice seeing y'all.
See you, brother.
I'll see y'all.
Hey, man.
Hey, my friend.
Can I?
Yo, what if I get a girlfriend when I